Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Squarespace Action Automation for Workflows. We get to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on it to choose an account where you want to install the app in. Click on Continue, click on Allow and Install. Copy the custom menu link, switch to the account, head over to Settings and click on it. Search for custom menu links, click on it and click on Create New. You give an icon, you give a title, the URL here, choose a sidebar preference, choose an account, and you give a role-based visibility. Click on Save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch to the account, search for it and click on it. Then the interface of all the available apps is going to pop up. Search for the app and click on Connect. The second interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. You have a smart queue video that is going to walk you through on how to get the credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. Let's walk you through that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API to complete your configuration. Head to the accounts which you've created online, click on Settings, and then click on Development Tools. Head over to API Keys and click on it. Then you generate a new key. You give a name and you toggle on all the permissions. Then you scroll up and click on Generate Key. A key will be generated to you. Copy the key, head back to your account, and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app has been successfully set up and configured. We have the Support Center, where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And as well, the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.